Hello, and welcome to the virtual info session for Belmont's College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. In this session, we'll cover the majors that are housed under the College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences and dive deeper into what makes these majors have the unique Belmont advantage. My name is Linda. I'm the Senior Admissions Coordinator for the Belmont College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Along with this virtual session, I also meet daily with students and families that are looking into getting their start in the healthcare field at Belmont. And while I didn't attend Belmont for my undergrad, I've lived in Nashville since 2002, and I've always felt the positive impact that Belmont's had on the city. Diving right in here, I have a list of our majors offered within the College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. We have social work, public health, and exercise science. We also have minors that are housed within those programs. Within social work, we offer a social justice minor. Within public health, we offer an epidemiology minor and a minor in public health for students outside of the major that are interested in the well-being of communities. And our exercise science program offers minors in nutrition, sports medicine, and strength and conditioning. Many of our exercise science majors will choose from these three for their minor, as they typically end up aligning with their career goals, but we also have students that choose a minor outside of our college. It could be a business major or a business minor or a foreign language minor for those that are interested in working with diverse communities. One of the main reasons that Belmont is a great place to study the health sciences is, you guessed it, we're right in the heart of Nashville. While we are known for country music, we're also the healthcare capital of the United States. We have access to over 500 different healthcare companies, which helps a lot with intentional clinical placements, internships, and job opportunities after your time at Belmont. One of the main reasons that I hear faculty saying they love their job is because of the students. They truly want to get to know each student personally so they can propel them into success professionally. They want to know your goals, passions, and dreams and dedicate their time to see that you have the opportunities to achieve those goals and dreams. A main draw for students considering Belmont are the class sizes. Across campus, our average student to faculty ratio is 13-1, and this makes for a really intimate learning environment, especially appreciated by our health science students. Those programs are usually very robust, and they often lead to questions in our classroom. Our students receive the support they need, all while getting to know their faculty and peers within the program. Currently, students often express that they have never felt like a number at Belmont. The first major I'm going to dive into is our social work major. Because it is a smaller cohort, usually of 10 to 15 students per year, they're a very tight-knit community. Our faculty are almost all full-time, which means they're forming relationships with our social work students all 4 years of their program. The curriculum features a 450-hour internship, which provides an opportunity to practice your social work knowledge, values, and skills in an agency or organization while being supervised by a professional social worker. The program offers courses gearing towards preventing compassion fatigue and taking care of yourself so that you can take better care of others. Social work is extremely flexible and versatile in that employment opportunities are what you make them. Many people think of child welfare first. Over 60% of social workers are actually employed outside of the government sector. They are working in schools, hospitals, mental health and rehabilitation facilities, and nonprofits. Our social work program has a 100% 6-month placement rate after graduation. We also have our program set up so that if students choose to go on to get their master's in social work, it'll take only 1 year after graduating from Belmont. More than 90% of our graduates enroll in a Master's of Social Work program within 5 years of earning their Bachelor's in Social Work. In fact, due to this high percentage of students that move on to get their master's degree in social work, this is the first year that Belmont will be offering its own Master's of Social Work program. The first cohort will begin fall 2025. Another great thing about social work is that job growth is predicted to increase by 12% by the year 2030. And while located in the healthcare capital, there is no shortage of opportunities here. Next, we'll talk about our public health program. And while our other health science programs focus on one individual patient or client, public health is focused on the well-being of a community as a whole. Similar to our social work program, public health has many career paths to help students learn more about opportunities. Our program also has a set of what we call coffee and career chats, which involves caffeine, of course, and guest lecturers from renowned public health professions within different areas of the field. The program has also dedicated study abroad experiences, which I'll highlight a little later on. To better understand the various pathways within public health, we can break it into 5 buckets. I like to use the acronym BEACH. Areas range from research to advanced medicine, accessibility to healthcare and housing, disease prevention, plans for clean air and water, as well as the organization of our healthcare systems. Let's further break down the opportunities within our 5 buckets of public health. You can see here the varying levels of pay, education, job growth, as well as a description of positions such as biostatistician, environmental health specialist, epidemiologist, health educator, and healthcare administration. Just to give you an idea of the possibilities within public health, feel free to pause the session here just to take in a lot of this more specific information. Because public health focuses on aspects of community well-being, the internships and opportunities go beyond what I could list here. Our students have had a focus in public health and policy, in advocacy. Some have taken advantage of the epidemiology minor and focused on disease prevention, while others lean towards social and behavioral health. Did you know that seatbelts are a product of public health? There is no limit for our public health students making the world a better place to live in together. Next up is exercise science. Many of our exercise science students have aspirations to work in fitness, wellness, rehabilitation medicine, or sports. Because exercise science is a hands-on field, we provide practical experiences and internships for our students to be prepared in whatever facet of exercise science they choose. Students are prepared for nationally recognized certifications that give them an advantage in the workforce and develop their skills in the field. The program also has in-depth and involved minor offerings that I mentioned earlier within nutrition, sports medicine, and strength and conditioning, so that students can be better tailored for their experience. Here's a list of those certifications that we prepare students for, as well as career pathways geared towards fitness and wellness of varying degrees. Some of our students choose to open their own personal training practice. Some choose to work in corporate wellness or further their education to become occupational therapists, physical therapists, athletic trainers, cardiac and pulmonary specialists, or chiropractors. While one 125-hour internship is built into our exercise science program, many students choose to explore multiple internship opportunities throughout their entire time at Belmont. I'm sure you recognize some of the logos from our recent student internships. We've had students intern at Gatorade, help with Pure Sweat, which is a pre-draft MBA camp here in Nashville, and even a corporate wellness program at Verizon. We really try to partner with organizations that our students desire and work with our students to assist in that placement process. Like I mentioned, some of our students choose to go on to graduate school for their doctorate degree in physical therapy or occupational therapy. One of our newer pathways at Belmont is our 3+3 program within exercise science. This allows you to obtain your undergraduate degree in your first 3 years and your graduate degree in the next 3 years. While it is typically about 7 to 8 years to complete the whole process, we find that many students are attracted to our condensed 6-year program. Belmont has over 180 student-led organizations, and while I have some listed here that are specific to the majors within the College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, our students also get to choose clubs that are associated with other colleges. But just some of the ones that we have within the College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences include a hiking club, a board games club, clubs of sustainability, and many more. There's really something for everyone. Typically, over 1,000 students from Belmont travel abroad throughout the year. We offer Belmont faculty and staff-led trips abroad for semesters, the month of May, and July trips. We also have offerings during spring or fall breaks, and many students choose the Maymester, which is just the month of May, where you can take up to 9 credit hours, which is usually about 3 courses, and still enjoy the June, July, and August months of your summer. Here I have examples of the College of Pharmacy and Health Science specific abroad trips, though there are certainly way more offerings with our study abroad office. A few that I would like to highlight here is our public health majors. They study community health in Botswana. Our students also study a course called Healthcare System Comparison in Italy and Ireland. Students will study social justice in Peru. And in Tanzania, students take the Belmont course on trauma, grace, and resilience. We often have student takeovers on our Instagram, so you can see what it's like being a student in this college from their own perspective. Follow the College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences on Instagram to continue to stay connected and keep up to date on all of the fun things happening every day. Again, here's my contact information in case you have any questions. The QR code on the right shares my appointment link where you can schedule a phone call or video call with me. And I just wanted to say thank you again for considering Belmont's College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences.